Ever wondered how your phone connects to the internet, how you send files to your printer, or how your smart home devices talk to each other? It all comes down to one fundamental concept: networking. Let's break down exactly what computer networks are and why they're essential to modern life. Before we talk about computer networking, let's first understand in general what a network is. In the most general sense, a network is simply a group of things, people, places, systems that are connected together so they can share information or resources. Think of a city's transportation system. Roads connect different locations, allowing people and goods to move between them. Now, apply that same idea to computers and digital devices. A computer network is a group of two or more computing devices, computers, phones, printers, servers, smart devices that are connected together. The purpose? So they can communicate with each other and share resources like files, internet access, processing power, and printers. In other words, anywhere you connect multiple devices with the intention of allowing them to exchange data and resources, you have a computer network. This could include desktop computers and laptops, servers, powerful computers that store and manage data, printers and scanners, smartphones and tablets, smart devices like security cameras, thermostats, and smart lights, really anything that can be connected and has the ability to communicate. The underlying principle is simple. When devices are networked, they can talk to each other, share files, and work together as a unified system.
Now, here's an important question. Not all networks are the same. They vary in size, scope, and purpose. Some networks might cover just your home. Others might span an entire office building. And some connect cities and countries together. Understanding these different types is crucial because they each have unique characteristics and serve different purposes. Let's explore the main categories. Local Area Network, or LAN. Most of you have one at home right now. Picture this. You've got a router, maybe a wireless access point, perhaps a desktop computer, your phone, maybe a tablet. All these devices communicate through your router, which connects them all together. This localized setup, everything in one area, is called a local area network, or LAN. Your home LAN does something important. It connects to the outside world through your internet provider. That connection leads to something much bigger. Wide Area Network, or WAN. Now imagine connecting multiple LANs across different cities or countries. That's a wide area network, or WAN. The biggest example? The internet itself. But businesses also use private WANs to link their offices in different locations together.
Business networks. Large organizations work differently. Computers throughout an office connect to wall sockets or floor outlets. These cables run behind walls, through ceilings, or under floors, all leading back to a central location, usually called a server room or wiring closet. In that room, you'll find stacks of sophisticated switches mounted on racks. These switches manage all the connections. For buildings with multiple floors, you might have several of these rooms, each connected to the others. Mobile or cellular networks. Then there's the network that's probably closest to you, cellular networks. Your smartphone connects through 3G, 4G, or 5G technology. Basically, your phone connects to nearby towers that broadcast signals across wide areas. The closer you are to a tower, the better your connection.
Why networks matter. The power of sharing. Let me show you why networks changed everything. Imagine not having networks. Want to print a document? You'd need to physically plug your computer directly into a printer. Have 5 computers? You'd need 5 printers. Sounds wasteful, right? With a network, everything changes. You can have one printer that everyone shares, one file that multiple people can access and collaborate on, shared storage where important documents live safely, accessible to anyone who needs them. But file sharing is just the beginning. Beyond sharing, the real impact. With networks, we got email, instant communication across the world. We got the internet,
humanity's accumulated knowledge in your pocket. We got video calls, instant messaging, streaming entertainment, cloud storage. We can access powerful computers without owning them. Networking didn't just connect devices, it connected humanity. It's fundamentally changed how we work, learn, communicate, and entertain ourselves. It's the backbone of modern business, education, healthcare, and nearly every aspect of our daily lives.
Understanding networks is fundamental to understanding how our world works today. Whether it's your home Wi-Fi, your workplace infrastructure, your phone's cellular connection, or the global internet, they're all networks operating on the same core principle: connecting devices so they can communicate and share resources. This is really just the beginning. There's so much more to explore. How data travels across networks, security, different network architectures, and countless other topics. But now, you've got the foundation. If you're interested in learning more about networking, stay tuned. We've got more detailed breakdowns coming up. And if this helped you understand networks better, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech education. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.